In the box you will find the crate, along with 2 mounting brackets, 4 bolts, 4 nuts and 8 washers. Add a washer to each bolt. Then feed the bolts through the pre-drilled holes on the bottom of the crate as shown. Rest the crate on the rack. Make sure the crate and bolts are properly seated as shown. Next, inside the crate, tape down the bolts with 2 strips of masking tape. Now, fasten the crate to the rack using the metal brackets and nuts as shown. Finally, remove the tape. Then, using a 10mm box wrench to hold the nuts in place, tighten the screws firmly with a Phillips head screwdriver.